Introducing the C step, calculate. Now it's time for you to evaluate your potential return and the cost required to do so. However, there are certain key factors that you would need to look at before you start calculating your investment price. First off is the market. There are two types of market price to look at: the market buying price and selling price. The market buying price is often referred to as the current purchasing price of the metal at that time. On the other hand, market selling price is the cost of the metal during the period when you decided to sell them off. Next, there are several components that affect the price, such as its premium or even the dealer's commission or markup. These metals require minting, marketing, and distributing. This cost is called premium, and it is usually just a few percent over the market price. There are no tax implications for buying physical metals. Selling them, however, do have. So if you sell them for more than what you paid for, there will be a tax liability charged. It's time to calculate. For physical gold, there are gold coins and bars. The market price for gold coin is $1,322.82 per ounce. For gold bar, the cast bar and minted bar cost around $1,274.25 and $1,293.20 per ounce respectively. The market price for silver coin is $18.25 per ounce. For the silver bars, cast bar and minted bar, the cost is around $20.09 and $21.82 per ounce respectively. Time to calculate your budget. The calculation is simple. Simply set a budget limit for your metal investment. For example, if you have put aside $5,500 for metal investment, and you've chosen minted gold bar as your preferred metal investment, calculate the current buying price to your budget. Now it costs $1,293.20 per ounce. With a budget of $5,500, you can invest up to 4 ounces of minted gold bars. If you want to fully utilize your budget, you have the privilege to invest in silver metal as well with the remaining $327.20. Simple, isn't it? Not knowing which silver investment to make? Take a step back to Step I and decide. You could also choose to keep it. It's your decision to make.